Hi. So how to use the Amitai technique in order to get the result that you want to get? Yeah. What is it that one has to do and how to do it? Because it's a wonderful technique that can cause amazing changes in one's life. So what are the things that one need to know in order to get it and to make it effective? So the two main things is the number one is you need to use it. As simple as it might sound, but you actually need to tap on yourself, yeah? Just thinking about it or planning to do it or watching me doing it is not enough. You actually have to do the tapping yourself, saying out loud the sentences. Okay, so that's the first thing, to do it. The second thing is to aim correctly at whatever the thing that is bothering you, whatever the change that you want to make. So you need to aim at it. So if, for example, if it's a physical pain that you're currently having or experiencing, notice the pain. See the pain, feel the pain, and then tap, saying out loud, but feel it. Yeah? If it's an emotional pain, create a situation that will create the pain. Actually see yourself in a situation where you know the pain will be there. Will be sadness, anger, regret, whatever, yeah? Feeling lonely, whatever the pain is. So create a situation, see yourself in the situation, feel it, and then tap to let it go. So these are the two main things. Of course, there's details and refinement that one needs to learn, and it comes with practice and skills. But these are the two main things if you want to use it in an effective way in yourself and actually bring about the changes that you want. Because it's a wonderful technique and it can really help you. Either clear away pains or unnecessary thoughts or unnecessary feelings or things that happened in the past that you no longer want to carry around with you, in your everyday life. Or bring about new ways of thinking or new ways of treating yourself or looking at the world, and new ways of being in the world. Yeah? So you can do two things. One is to clean the unnecessary, yeah? And the other is create what you want to create in yourself. And do both, yeah? Clean and create. Okay? So this is, if you have any further question, feel comfortable to use the comments. Tell me how you're doing, tell me what's the effect, tell me if there's anything else you need in order to be able to help yourself better. But these are the two main things. First, tap and say the sentences out loud. And the second is concentrate, aiming at what you want to change. And then all will be well. Yeah? So do the tapping as many times as necessary, as many times as it feels right for you, until you actually bring about the change. So don't just stop, well, I did it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, yeah, and it doesn't work for me. No. Yeah. If it's a small thing, maybe 2 or 3 minutes will work for you, but if it's a heavy thing, something that's been going on for many years, or it's been there for a long time, and it's roots everywhere, in yourself, in your life, in your behavior, in your feeling life, in your thinking life. Yeah? So it takes time and persistence. So don't give up easily. Yeah? Try harder and tap and use the sentences and create the feeling and tap and create the feeling and let go. Yeah? And do it. It's for your own benefit. You're not doing it for anybody else. It's for your own good. In the same way that you take a shower or you brush your teeth, you need to clean yourself emotionally, mentally. Yeah? Clear all these debris, things from the past. You don't need to carry them. Yeah? So the more you tap, the more you clean, the better your life will be. It will be more simple, more easy, yeah, more light. because you don't have to carry all this burden from the past, all heavy weights of feelings and pains and angers and regrets and blame and all this stuff. You don't need it. Yeah? So you can make a habit every day, 5-10 minutes, you tap. You feel something that you no longer want and you clear it away. You feel something you no longer want and you clear it away. Yeah? And if it's a big thing, then chop it a little at a time. Yeah? Chop it until eventually it will disappear. And remember, it's for yourself. Yeah? It's for your own good. It's your life that you're looking after. So look after yourself. Try to do as many good things as you can. Treat yourself well, treat other people well, smile, offer help whenever possible. Let's make it a better world for all of us. It's possible. If we all let go of unnecessary things of the past, learn to be friends with ourselves, with other people, be kind. Miracle can happen. All the best.